Duke Sweffy presents Sakshi Spell Bee for the academic year 2023-24. The first edition of Sakshi Spell Bee was launched in 2012 and has been ranked as one of the most awaited events for schools across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The participation in each edition has been growing steadily, and in this 12th edition, we had students participating from more than 500 schools across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. That's a big pat for ourselves. Once they graduated from the online round, they qualify for the higher rounds. So the preliminary rounds were held in their schools, which was an online round, and today we have students participating from various regions across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana who will be competing equally for gold, silver and bronze. Before we begin, this is exclusively for my little contestants. Before we begin, I would like to congratulate all the participants on making through to this round. I'm sure you're all excited, but before beginning, let's go through the rules of the rounds. The rules are quite simple and easy to understand, but you need to listen to them carefully. So here we roll them. All ears towards me. The names of the participants will be called out individually. When called, you will be required to step forward. In the first round, each of you gets 2 words. If you get both the words correct, you are through the second round instantly. If you get both words wrong, sorry, we are eliminating. You are eliminated. But then, if you get 1 word right and 1 word wrong, we are going to give you a tiebreaker. And if you get this word right, you will move on to the second round. From the second round onwards, it will be a single word elimination until we reach our final 5 contestants. And then at that point, we will have a speed round in which you will have 1 minute to spell 5 words. And you will have to try and spell as many as possible correctly in that 1 minute. Let's get this started. So we are all set to witness the category 3 Sakshi Spell Bee for 23-24.
Hi. So before beginning, all the very best. Do not get scared. If you have any questions, ask without any hesitation. Ready to begin now? All of you? Everyone's in place?
So yes, once again, wishing you all the best. So I call upon the first contestant, Kamavarapu Yashmit Veer, representing the Viva School from Guntur.
Hi. So, your first word is decipher.
DECIPHER.
Very well. Now, your second word is itinerary.
ITENERARY.
Okay, unfortunately, there's just one little mistake you made in it. The spelling is ITINERARY. It was just that one vowel. Anyway, well done. Good effort. We'll see you in the tiebreaker.
So we have the second contestant is Ms. Kaina Jain, representing TRIPS International School, Rajamundry.
Hi.
Hi.
So, your first word is collusion.
COLLUSION.
Perfect. Now, your second word is stoic.
STOIC.
Perfect. Very well done, Kaina.
Now I call upon Mr. Y. Harsai from Ravindra Bharati School, Murli Nagar, Vishakhapatnam.
Your first word is ghastly.
GASTLE.
I'm sorry, that's wrong, but I'll give you another word. Embellish.
EMBALASS.
I'm so sorry, that wasn't right either, but good effort.
That's a good try, dear. Now I call upon Master C.H. Sushant Kumar from Vowel School, Nellore.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
So, ready for your first word? Okay, it's paprika.
Peprica.
That is unfortunately not the right spelling. The right spelling is Paprika. Paprika. Okay? I'll give you now your next word. Your next word is slaughter.
Slotter.
Unfortunately, even that wasn't the right spelling, but I really appreciate your effort. Good job on making it so far.
So now I call upon our fifth contestant, Ms. Lakshya G, representing Edify World School, Tirupati.
So, your first word is Scrabble.
Could you please repeat the word?
Scrabble.
Scrabble.
Very well done. That is the correct spelling. Very good. Now, moving on to your second word. Are you ready? Okay, it's crochet.
Crochet.
Very well done. That is the right spelling.
So now I call upon our sixth contestant, Master Saket Bhaskar Reddy, representing TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry.
Hi. Your word is duffel.
Can I have the meaning?
This refers to a coarse woolen cloth with a thick nap. It's related to textiles.
Duffle.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. The spelling is Duffel. The second word is colonel.
Meaning?
It is a rank of officer in the army and in the US Air Force that's usually above a lieutenant colonel and below a brigadier or a brigadier general.
Kenelle.
I'm sorry, unfortunately, that's not the right spelling. Colonel is spelled as Colonel.
That's a
Good
good
job,
try,
though.
Bhaskar. So now I call upon our seventh contestant, Master S.K. Abu Bakr Siddiq, representing VT High School, Vishakhapatnam.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
So, your first word is motif.
Motif.
Very good. Really well done. And your second word, are you ready for it? Okay, it's faucet.
Faucet.
Very good. Both your words are correct.
Now I call upon Master Ram Nihal, representing Aditya Public School, Srinagar, Kakinada.
Your first word is homonym.
Homonym.
Wonderful. That's the right spelling. Your second word is pecan.
Can you please repeat the word, ma'am?
Pecan.
Peccan.
Just one letter's error in there. There is no double C, it's a single C. It's Pecan. But good job and good effort.
So now I'm calling upon my contestant number 9. It's N. Susmita Reddy, representing JCR Chaitanya EM High School, Tirupati.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
So your first word is yonder.
Yonder. Yonder.
Very good, Sushmita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ready for your second word now?
Yes, ma'am.
It is paraffin.
Paraffin. Paraffin.
Wonderful, Sushmita. Very good.
Excellent. Now I call upon the next contestant, Miss Joycey Rose, representing Aditya Public School, Srinagar, Kakinada.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Ready for your first word?
Yes.
The first word is calamari.
Can you repeat the word, ma'am?
Calamari.
Callamari.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. Spelling for calamari is Calamari. Now moving on to your second word. The second word is dormitory.
Can you repeat the word, ma'am?
Dormitory.
Dormetory.
I'm sorry, that isn't the right spelling. The right spelling is Dormitory. Don't get disheartened. Congratulations on making it so far.
Now I call upon contestant number 11, Soumyanath Reddy, representing Nagarjuna Model School, Kadapa.
You ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's heretic.
Heretic.
Wonderful.
Excellent.
Your second word is sauna.
Skuna.
Very well done. You're very quick.
Now I call upon contestant Master N. Ramakrishna Reddy, representing TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Your first word is conquer.
Concour.
Wonderful. That's the right spelling. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's guzzle.
Gazelle.
That's not the right spelling. I think you spelled gazelle. I asked for guzzle. Similar phonetics. I get why there's a confusion there. Anyway, you got one right. You'll be moving on to the tiebreaker round. Don't worry, you still have a chance. Okay? Good job.
So now I call upon our contestant number 13, K. Rose Aradhya, representing Sri Gautami Smart School, Rajahmundry.
Your first word is polygon.
Polygon. May I have its definition, please?
It is a plane figure with at least 3 straight sides and angles. It usually has like 5 or more of them.
Polygon.
That's perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's hedgehog.
Hedgehog. May I have its definition, please?
Okay, it refers to a small nocturnal mammal with a spiny coat and short legs.
Hedgehog.
Perfect. Very good.
I call upon Master Jai Anish, representing Aditya Public School, Jagannath Kapur, Kakinada.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
So you're ready for your first word, I believe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your first word is rigorous.
Rigorous.
Perfect. Very well done. You got the first one right. Now, ready for your second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's taboo.
May I have its definition?
It refers to prohibited or restricted by social custom.
Is it TABU?
Sorry, that's not the right spelling. It's TABOO. You got one right anyway, so see you in the next round.
So our final contestant for category 3 for round 1 is Miss Pratibha Saroj Reddy, representing the school on her own name, Pratibha EM School, Rajahmundry. How lucky you are.
Ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's chaotic.
Chaotic. Can I have the meaning, please?
Okay. It refers to a state of complete confusion and disorder.
Chaotic. CHAOTIC.
Wonderful. You got it right. Moving on to your second word. It's mosaic.
MOSAIC.
Perfect. Very well done. You got both the words right now.
And with this, we come to the end of round 1 and for category 3, moving on to the tiebreaker for round 1. So I call upon first Kamavarapu Eshmith Veer, and in this tiebreaker round, you will be given only a single word to crack it. So kindly I request once again all the contestants to use this opportunity to the fullest.
Hi. So, ready for your chance here now? Okay. Your word is decrepit.
DECREPIT.
Perfect. You got it right.
Excellent.
Very good.
So yes, going for the tiebreaker session round, I call upon contestant number 8. It's S. Ram Nihal, representing Aditya Public School, Srinagar, Kakinada.
So are you ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is quadriceps.
Can you please repeat the word?
Quadriceps.
QUADRICEPS.
Perfect. That's the right spelling.
Now I call upon contestant number 12, N. Ramakrishna Reddy, representing TRIPS International School, Rajamandri.
Hi again.
Hi, ma'am.
So, your word for the tiebreaker round is bayonet.
BAYONET.
That's perfect. You got it right.
Moving on to our final tiebreaker contestant, I call upon contestant number 14. It's Jai Anish, representing Aditya Public School, Jaganaikapur, Kakinada.
For you is epilepsy.
EPILEPSY.
Perfect. You got it right.
So yes, we have all the 4 contestants once again getting qualified in the tiebreaker round and taking further them to the round 2. So in round 2, once again I repeat, it's a single word elimination round, and we repeat with this round 2 session till we get 5 contestants. Right? So once again the same rules, till you get the word right, try to take our help. Ask for the hints, ask for the cues, we will be helping you out with. All the best. So can we move on to round 2? I call upon for will be Kapavarapu Yashmith Veer, representing Viva the school from Guntur.
Welcome to the second round. The word for you is aesthetic.
AESTHETIC.
That's wonderful. Congratulations.
The next contestant I'm going to call upon is going to be Kaina Jain, representing TRIPS International School, Rajamandri.
The word for round 2 for you is truncate.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
Truncate.
TRUNCATE.
That's perfect. Very well done.
For round 2 now I call upon contestant number 5, that's Lakshya G, representing Edify World School, Tirupati.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your word is pecuniary.
Can I have its meaning?
It means relating to or consisting of money.
PECUNIARY.
Perfect. Very well done.
Now I call upon Master Abu Bakar Siddiq, representing VT High School, Vishakhapatnam.
Ready for your word? Okay. Your word is knapsack.
NAPSACK.
I'm sorry, unfortunately, that's not the right spelling. It's KNAPSACK.
Moving on to the next contestant, I call upon Ram Nihal, representing Aditya Public School, Kakinada.
So, your word for round 2 is jeopardy.
Can you please repeat the word?
Jeopardy.
JEOPARDY.
Perfect. Very good.
Now I call upon contestant number 9, that's N. Susmita Reddy, representing JCR Chaitanya EM High School, Tirupati.
So, are you ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is frivolous.
Can you repeat the word, ma'am?
Frivolous.
FRIVALOUS. Frivolous.
You are almost right. Just one little mistake. It is FRIVOLOUS. Lous, not A. It's an O there. Anyway, good effort.
That's a good try, Susmita. So after Susmita, I call upon contestant number 11. That's Y. Soumyanath Reddy, representing Nagarjuna Model School, Kadapa.
Your word is immemorial.
EMEMORIAL.
That was not the right spelling. I'm so sorry. It starts with I. Immemorial. Anyway, good effort.
Anyway, that was a good one, Soumyanath. So moving on to the next contestant, I have contestant number 12, that is N. Ramakrishna Reddy, representing TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry.
So you're ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your word is percussion.
PERCUSSION.
That's perfect. Very well done.
Now moving on to our next contestant, it's contestant number 13. You see her walking all towards the mic. It's Miss Rose Aradhya, representing Sri Gautami Smart School, Rajahmundry.
Hi, you're ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your word is cistern.
Can you give me the definition?
Okay, it refers to a tank for storing water, especially one supplying taps, or it's used as a part of a flushing toilet. A cistern.
Cistern. May I have its origin?
It's Middle English from Old French word cistern, from Latin cisterna, or from cista.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Water filled the cistern. The cistern is filled with oil or water.
CISTURN.
Almost right. Just a vowel that got it wrong in the middle. It's CISTERN. Good effort though.
Now I call upon our contestant number 14, that's R.J. Anish, representing Aditya Public School, Jagannathpur, Kakinada.
You're ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your word is anarchist.
May I have its definition?
It refers to a person who believes in or tries to bring about anarchy.
ANARCHIST.
Perfect. Very well done.
So for the final contestant, we have contestant number 15, that's Ms. Pratibha Saroj Reddy, representing the school on her very own name, Pratibha EM School, Rajahmundry.
Ready for your word now?
Yes.
Okay. Your word is falsetto.
FALSETTO.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Very well done.
So moving on to round 3, and round 3 is also a single word elimination round, and as of now I have 7 contestants who are moving to the round 3. Now I welcome my first contestant, Kamavarapu Yashmith Veer, representing Viva the School from Guntur for round 3. It's a single word elimination round. Kindly use all your hands wisely.
Hi. Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is mediocre.
MEDIOCRE.
Perfect. Very well done.
I call upon my second contestant, number 2, that's Miss Kaina Jain.
So your word for the third round is pretentious.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
Pretentious.
PRETENTIOUS.
That's perfect. Very well done.
Excellent. That's we had Kaina Jain from TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry. Moving on to our next contestant, Miss Lakshya G, representing Edify World School, contestant number 5, coming all the way from Tirupati.
Your word is counterfeit.
COUNTERFEIT.
That's perfect. Very well done.
So moving on to our next contestant, I call upon contestant number 8, that's S. Ram Nihal, representing Aditya Public School, Srinagar, Kakinada.
Your word is somersault.
May I have the definition?
It refers to an acrobatic movement in which a person turns head over heels in the air or on the ground and lands or finishes on their feet. It's related to gymnastics.
SAMASAULT.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. You got the second half right though. Thank you.
That's a good try, Ram. Appreciate your participation. So moving on to the next contestant, we have contestant number 12, representing TRIPS International School, Rajamandri. That's our Ramakrishna Reddy.
Hope you're ready for your word now.
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is vernacular.
Ma'am, can I have the meaning?
The meaning of this word vernacular, it refers to the language or dialect spoken by the ordinary people of a country or a region.
VERNACULAR.
That's perfect. Very well done.
Now I call upon contestant number 14, Jai Anish, representing Aditya Public School, Kakinada.
So your word for the third round is indomitable.
May I have its definition?
It refers to an impossible to, it essentially means something that's impossible to either subdue or defeat.
INDOMITTABLE.
Just one letter that got you wrong. It's not double T, it's a single T. Thank you.
That's a good one, Anish. So our final contestant for round 3 is Miss Pratibha Saroj Reddy, again coming from Pratibha AM School, Rajamandri.
So ready for your word now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your word is bequeath.
Can I have the meaning?
It refers to leave something, usually a property, to a person or any other beneficiary by a will.
BEQUEATH.
That's perfect. Very well done.
So there we come to the conclusion of round 3 and moving on to our final round to hunt for our gold, silver, bronze medal winners. Oh, you're already winners, my dear. So I have 5 contestants. So we start for round number 4, and round number 4 is a timed round, and I request the contestants to watch this monitor which is placed over here. You can see the timer in that, and accordingly you can take the time to guess and crack the word. And since this is an timed session, try to answer as many as possible. Mostly we will be shooting you 5 words, and if you still have time left out, we will be giving you one more word. So use the time wisely. Once again, the answer or the word which you are not able to crack on, don't stand to that, move on to the next word. Got it? So any queries for this? Can I move on to round number 4? Thank you. So round number 4, our first participant, that's Kapavarapu Yashmit Veer, representing Viva the School, Guntur.
Okay. In this round, we won't be displaying the words. I'll be telling you the words, the pronunciations, you tell me the spellings, and it's rapid fire, okay? Let's begin now. Your clock starts now. The first word is plumage.
PLUMAGE.
Very well. Your second word is obnoxious.
OBNOXIOUS.
Very well. Third word is machete.
MACHETE.
Perfect. Deluge.
Ma'am, can I have the word again?
Deluge.
DELUGE.
Perfect. Your fifth word is gregarious.
GREGARIOUS.
Perfect.
That's excellent, Yashmit. So now I call upon our next contestant, that's Roll number 2, contestant number 2, Kaina Jain, representing Trips International School, Rajahmundry, for round 4.
Welcome to the final round. Your first word is pulverize.
Pulverized.
Second word is oscillate.
Osselate.
That's wrong. Moving on to the third word, fiasco.
Fiasco.
Fourth word, colloquial.
Colloquial.
Fifth word, bigotry.
Bigotry.
Perfect. Thank you.
You were very quick in answering all the 5, except for missing out on the second one. So I call upon my contestant number 5, Lakshya G from Edify World School, Tirupati.
Your first word as the clock begins is intercede.
Intercede.
Your second word is pseudonym.
Pseudonym.
Barnacle.
Barnacle.
Equestrian.
Equestrian.
Mausoleum.
Mausoleum.
Perfect. Very well done.
Timer was just 34 seconds. So I call upon contestant number 12, that we have N. Ramakrishna Reddy, Trips International School, Rajahmundry.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As your time starts, your first word is larceny.
Larceny.
Perfect. Your second word is braille.
Braille.
Perfect. Third word is conundrum.
Conundrum.
Perfect. Fourth word, imperative.
Can I have the meaning?
It refers to anything that's of vital importance.
Imperative.
Perfect. Your final word is questionnaire.
Questionnaire.
Perfect. Very well done.
And now we have our final contestant, that's K. Pratibha Saroj Reddy, contestant number 15, representing her own school, Pratibha EM School, Rajahmundry.
Hi. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clock begins with disparate.
Disparate.
Your second word is contemptuous.
Contemptuous.
Perfect. Your next word is altruism.
Altruism. Altruism.
Perfect. Grandeur.
Grandeur. Grandeur.
Perfect. Sovereign.
Sovereign. Sovereign.
I'm sorry, the last one wasn't right, but the other 4 were on point. Good job.
So out of the 5 contestants who moved on to round number 4, we are left with 3 contestants who are moving on to our final round to decide who is the gold and the silver and bronze medal owner. So we have contestant number 1, that's Kamavarapu Yashmit Veer, moving on to the final round, and we have contestant number 12, that's N. Ramakrishna Reddy, and we have contestant number 5, that's Lakshya G, moving on to the final round. All set to go? Perfect? Right, so this is the final round and we are here looking for single word elimination. So I call upon contestant number 1, that's Kamavarapu Yashmit Veer, representing Viva School from Guntur.
Hello, welcome back to the tiebreaker round now. So, your word is conspicuous.
Conspicuous.
Perfect. Very well done.
Perfect. So next we have contestant number 5, that's Lakshya G, representing Edify World School, Tirupati.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Your word for this round is arduous.
Arduous.
Very well done.
It was so easy for Lakshya. And the final contestant for the final round here is N. Ramakrishna Reddy, representing TRIPS International School, Rajamandri.
Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
welcome to the tiebreaker round. Your word is resuscitate.
RESUSCITATE.
Perfect. Very well done.
So yes, I think this round is going to be a tiebreaker between our three contenders. So I have once again Kamavarapu Yashmith Veer requesting him to be on to the dais.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Your word is propitiate.
The meaning, ma'am?
It means win or regain the favor of usually a god or a person by doing something that pleases them. It's often related to a religion.
PROPETIATE.
Just a little error with the first I in it, but good effort.
Now I call upon our next contender. That's Lakshya G, contestant number 5 from Edify World School, Tirupati.
Hi, welcome back. Your word is intercession.
INTERCESSATION.
The spelling is INTERCESSION.
That's a good one, Lakshya. Still you are into one of the positions. So now I once again call upon our contestant number 12, that's Ramakrishna Reddy, TRIPS International School.
So your word is beleaguer.
BELEAGUER.
Perfect. Very well done.
So now we are going to have a tiebreaker session between Kamavarapu Yashmith Veer and Lakshya G to decide who is going to secure what positions. So yes, now this competition is for the silver and the bronze. They are equally costly, man. In fact, silver is more costlier than gold. So we have Kamavarapu Yashmith Veer. Aviva, the school.
Hi. So the word for the final tiebreaker for you is grotesque.
GROTESQUE.
Perfect. Very well done.
Request Miss Lakshya G to be over here for your share of the word, dear. I know she's not going to give up so easily.
So the next word for you is orthography.
ORTHOGRAPHY.
Look at my girl. I said she's not going to give up
Perfect.
so easily. Perfect. So it's a tiebreaker between Yashmith and Lakshya. So I once again request Kamavarapu Yashmith Veer. See, I think the anxiety is building in me to decide who is going to get the silver and bronze.
Hi, welcome back. Your word is metamorphosis.
METAMORPHOSIS.
Perfect. Very well done.
So Miss Lakshya, it's your stage. Set it on fire, man.
Hi, welcome back. Your word is juggernaut.
JUGGERNAUT.
Perfect.
Lovely. So we are extending this tiebreaker between Yashmith and Lakshya. So Yashmith, once again.
Your word is piquant.
And the meaning?
Having a pleasantly sharp taste or appetizing flavor.
PECANT. Piquant.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. It's PIQUANT, piquant. Well done though.
Still
You
keep
gave
your
a tough
fingers.
competition.
So Lakshya, all yours, dear.
Your word is superfluous.
Can I have its meaning?
It refers to unnecessary or something that's especially through being more than enough.
Could you please repeat the word?
Superfluous.
SUPERFLUESCE.
Just went wrong a little towards the end. SUPERFLUOUS. F-L-U-O-U-S, superfluous.
So it's again we go for the tiebreaker
We are again
between
at the tiebreaker.
Yashmit and Lakshya. So Yashmit, once again a golden opportunity to grab and go for the silver.
Your first word is chauffeur.
CHAUFFER.
Missed by one letter. C-H-A-U-F-F-E-U-R. Chauffeur. Good effort though.
So yes, Miss Lakshya, this is all yours.
Hi. Your first word is eloquence.
ELOQUENCE.
Perfect. Very well done.
So I think we have the winners for silver and bronze. What do you all say? Do we have the winners for silver and bronze here? We already have the gold master and now we have the silver queen followed by the bronze man. It's like Iron Man, you're the bronze man. So strong. So we have got the winners for our category 3. Standing with the gold winner is definitely, who is that? Right? We have our cute boy N. Ramakrishna Reddy, contestant number 12. And we have contestant number 5, Miss Lakshya, who is very focused, going for silver. And definitely the number 1, the best, your number 1 contestant first and the best man. Yashmit, you did give a tight competition for everyone, in fact for yourself. Yashmit for bronze. Now I'm going to request Ms. Bala Tripura Sundari, ma'am, who is heading TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry, who has come all the way from Rajahmundry. So now I call upon our final contestants. Before that, I would request our ma'am to share some advice for all of us.
Each year I see a lot of confidence levels increased in almost all the children. The level of power, word power, they are acquiring, that is also wonderstruck. Of course, always there are only 3 winners. All cannot be the winners. But 15 members selected here means they are the best. And I see every year here, they are coming so enthusiastic and exhibiting their talent, one in their memory, one in their learning practice, and their patience. All these things mixed up together, and that is what they are, the winners. I thank once again Sakshi Media for conducting this sort of competitions and encouraging all over the state, and this I'm always thankful.
So I now call upon a bronze medal winner, who is none other than, yes, our very own Yashmit, who had been really giving a tough ones to all the contestants. Well done, Yashmit. And you are the owner of the bronze medal. Bronze man, you set a trend, new trend. He is being not only just felicitated with the bronze medal, but he is also being awarded with a check, 3,000 rupees, along with gift hamper from Dukes. That's really for my bronze boy. Now I have my silver queen, that's Lakshya Ji, the most costliest medal as of now, and she's equally talented, more talented. So Lakshya edifies school, and she is the silver medal winner, who is being given a gift hamper for 5,000 rupees along with gift hamper she's receiving from Dukes. This is all for yours. So we have here our final contestant. Just let's not measure him by his height. He seems to be quite challenging. The highest medal, the gold medal goes to...
Ramakrishna Reddy.
Lovely man, listen it from him. Representing.
Trips International.
Perfect.
He has been here every year and
He's a regular winner with Sakshi. Congratulations. So he is being felicitated with a check of 8,000 rupees. That's great. You want to share it with me? I don't mind. And gift hamper from Dukes